Hello and welcome back to Kanen Coffee Espresso Machines. Today we're showing the descaling of a Bunn coffee brewer. And you can see on the heating element there's big pieces of white scale. And we put citric acid in here, and all those bubbles are the breaking up of that calcium on the heating element and down below it. So it's pretty cool to actually see the citric acid taking effect so quickly on this machine. And the heating element wasn't just covered in scale, but we also have the water level probe. And here's the water level probe, and we cleaned it off, but it was all covered in scale. And so the machine kept telling it to fill, and it never knew that the water level was full. And so we had to clean off the probe. And then as an extra measure, we're getting the heating element clean of scale, and we're also going to get the scale out of the bottom of the machine. And this is just to show you, this is this Bunn coffee brewer. So thank you for watching with Kanen Coffee. Please like our videos below, and if you'd like to see more videos like this, please subscribe to our channel. Thank you.